Welcome to the Yes or No English Podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking.
Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi, everyone. Today, we're practicing at the supermarket sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
The supermarket is very big and bright.
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 Many people are shopping inside today.
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 A shopping cart is pulled by me.
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 The cart has 4 small wheels.
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 The fruit section is very colorful.
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 Apples and bananas are on display.
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 Fresh oranges and grapes are available.
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 Some sweet apples are picked by me.
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 The vegetable section is very busy.
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 Onions and potatoes are on my list.
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 A small sign shows all the prices.
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 The dairy section is near the back.
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 A bottle of cold milk is taken.
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 Some cheese packets are added too.
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 The bread section smells very nice.
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 A loaf of brown bread is selected.
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 The biscuit packets are on sale.
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 2 packets of biscuits are picked.
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 Tasty chips are also available here.
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 A chip packet goes into my cart.
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 Payment time has arrived now.
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 The payment line is very long.
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 All items are scanned by the cashier.
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 The total amount is paid by me.
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 This shopping trip makes me happy.
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 Wonderful! You just practiced 25 at the supermarket sentences.
Subscribe for a new video every day.
See you next time.